The plumbers have roughed in all the rough plumbing, and it's time for an inspection today. For that, we need to have the licensed plumber on site, Brian Bilo. Hey, Brian.
Hey, Richard.
And our local inspector, Duke LaConte. Hi, Duke. So, are you nervous today?
Not nervous at all. It's a day we actually look forward to.
It's an important day, too, isn't it?
It is.
These pipes that are going inside the wall, once these walls get covered up, they're never going to be seen again.
Exactly.
And if there's a leak, it would be a big deal.
Right, it would be a big deal and costly.
Right. What are you looking for?
Right now, I'm looking for a rough plumbing and a rough gas inspection here.
All right, so I see a gas line right there. There's a dryer that's going to go on the other side of the wall in the laundry.
Right, right.
So what do you got for a gauge there?
We've got a gauge here showing 5 pounds. You only have a half a pound gas pressure in the system, but we test to 5 pounds, and that's throughout the whole gas system.
All right, so you pump that up to 5 pounds with air, and if it leaked, it would just drop.
It would drop. You'd see it immediately.
That's
right.
great. And you don't want a gas leak.
Don't want any gas leaks.
All right. So now on the drain, waste and vent, this is a toilet right here. Here's a lavatory.
Lavatory.
So we've got drain right here. But we also have vent pipes that continue up through the roof. And that whole system ties together. How do you make sure that doesn't leak?
We do basically the same thing. We pump in another 5 pounds of pressure because PVC, that's the max you can get in there.
All right, so you seal it on both ends and pump it up with air.
Pump it up with air, no more than 5 pounds.
Right. Now you could use water, right?
You could use water, yep. We chose to use air just because it's getting colder
That's
outside.
right. All right, so 2 for 2?
Yes.
Good going. What about water?
Water piping is different as far as air pressure goes. We're looking for 125 pounds in the system.
All right, so all the water piping in the system, sooner or later, is going to have city water pressure. That's
Correct.
what, 40, 50, 60 pounds?
That's correct.
So you're testing it 2 times more than you'd ever expect.
That's right.
All right, so the gauge is there, looks
Yep.
fine at what, 125? That's
Right.
great.
It looks very good there.
3 for 3, Brian.
Good.
What else are you looking for, Duke?
I'm looking for to make sure that the plumbing fixtures themselves are Massachusetts product accepted.
Okay.
I'm also looking for to make sure that the waste and vent system here is properly installed, and I can see that right here looking at this lavatory. It's a good job.
So you're looking to be sure that everything is drained and vented properly.
That's correct.
And how'd we do?
We passed. Very good.
You'll sign our sheet?
I'll sign your sheet.
Thanks, Duke. Good job, Brian.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.